everyone to like and subscribe to my channel. Hey everyone.
Happy Easter. Today we're gonna make bunny bait. Okay, you ready? Here we go. First we need some. Put your popcorn in your pan.
I want to taste them.
You can taste it. Can you put the rest in your pan? Good job. Pour it in. Good job. Thank you.
Ow. And popcorn.
Put your Chex Mix. That's your Chex Mix. Okay.
I love that.
Ready? That's pretzels? Pretzels. Oh, pretzels. Good job. Okay, what's this?
Cookies.
Oreo cookies. Thank you.
Oh, what popcorn side?
Okay, one more thing. What's that?
Little
Candies. Yum, yum. Put them in. It's Now you can pour some chocolate, white chocolate. You can pour it on there.
Yep,
Okay.
leave it.
Leave it right here for you. Okay, can you pour it on?
Yeah.
There you go. Go ahead. Pour it all over, girl. There you go. Good job. Just like that. Okay, here's your favorite part. Sprinkles. Pour some on.
Oh, mini.
Lick it.
Go
Keep
good.
going. Good job. You gotta put a bunch on there. Go ahead. Good job. There you go. Perfect. All right, awesome job. Now you can mix it up, okay? Perfect. Mix it up.
Popcorn.
All right, this is our bunny bait. We hope you guys enjoy making it too. See you next time. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good job.
I love popcorn. I love popcorn. I love popcorn, Dad.